right, we're gonna do a science experiment, and if you guys have vinegar and salt and pennies, you can do this at home as well. So we're hoping it works, but that's what science is about, right? We're gonna try it and see. So the first thing is that we needed 2 pennies, one very new and one as old as we could find. So look at my pennies. That's the oldest, ickiest penny we could find. And this one is so shiny it almost doesn't even look real. This is called our control. So this one is just gonna sit right here on our paper towel. And our idea is to try to make this one look as new as that one. I hope we can do it. The first step says, fill a glass with, fourth full. That's really little writing. Let's see, 1/4 full with white vinegar, just regular vinegar. So here we go. Maya, you tell me about how much you think we should do.
There.
Right there, that looks about 1/4 full. Stir in ooh, I know, vinegar is stinky. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt. So here's our teaspoon.
That's salty.
Salty. Would you like to pour that in for me? Pour it in, and then I'll get you
All
a
of it?
spoon. The whole teaspoon. Here's a spoon. Stir it all in. Now, it says add the penny. Is it all stirred in?
Yep.
Okay, take the spoon out. Put the spoon just right to the side. Add the penny. Just plop it right in there. What's happening? And wait for half an hour. We're not going to make you sit there and wait. We're going to put our timer on for half an hour, and then we'll come back and show you what happens, okay?